Hi! Today we're going to be talking about the parts of a seed. There are two main kinds of seeds. Some seeds are called monocots and some are called dicots. An easy way to identify if a seed is a monocot or a dicot is just by looking at it. Monocot seeds tend to stay together, and dicot seeds are easily split down the center. For example, corn seeds are monocots because they hold together, but beans or peas are dicots because they can be split into two halves easily. Here, we're going to be looking at a peach pit. After breaking open the peach pit, we can see the peach seed. We can see that it's a dicot because it can be split in half. The three main parts of a seed are the seed coat, embryo, and endosperm. The outer layer of a seed is called the seed coat. The seed coat itself usually has two layers, a harder layer on the outside known as the testa, and a softer inner layer called the tegmen. The tegmen is clear and the testa has most of the color that we see. Seed coats are different for different plants, like beans are dicots with thin seed coats, while this peach has a thicker seed coat, and coconuts have an even larger seed coat. Overall, we can split the seed coat into different parts, depending on the area's location around the seed. The micropyle is a small opening in the seed coat, and the hilum is where the seed breaks off from the plant. It kind of looks like a scar for the seed. The seed coat is used to protect the seed and keep it from growing into a plant or germinating until it's ready to grow in a more favorable condition. This is so that it has a better chance of growing into a strong, healthy plant. The seed coat helps control what goes into and what leaves the plant. Like water should usually stay in the seed, and parasites should stay out of the seed. The next part of a seed is called the endosperm. Not all seeds have an endosperm, but it helps provide nutrition for the seed and also protects an important part of the seed, the embryo. The embryo has cotyledons that are the leaves of the embryo. Dicots have two cotyledons and monocots have one cotyledon, so this peach seed will have two cotyledons. The next part of the embryo is the radicle, or the small root that comes out of the seed. This is seen in beans a lot of the times when they're placed in water to sprout. The seed starts to grow small shoots known as the epicotyl, but the stage in between the root and the shoot is called the hypocotyl. After all of this grows into the root and shoot system, we have a plant. An interesting fact is that monocot seeds grow into plants with petals that have multiples in 3, and dicot plants have flowers with petals in multiples of 4 or 5, which is another cool way to identify them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching!